In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paint stroke effect in Canva. This is a quick, creative way to add emphasis, texture, and personality to your designs, whether you're working on a social post, a presentation slide, or a thumbnail. I'll guide you through each step and share a few helpful tips as we go so you get a clean, polished result. Start by opening the Canva design where you want to add the paint stroke effect. If you already have your layout and text in place, that's perfect. Seeing the full composition makes it easier to choose the right stroke style and placement. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is Canva's library of shapes, graphics, and illustrations. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type Paint Stroke and press Enter. You'll see a variety of strokes: bold, textured, brushy, ink-like, and even rounded or rough edges. Take a moment to preview a few and think about the mood you want: subtle and soft, or bold and eye-catching. If you notice an icon indicating premium content, you can either choose a free alternative or decide if it fits your project. Once you find a paint stroke graphic you like, click it and drag it onto your canvas. Place it roughly where you want the effect to appear, such as behind a headline or beneath a key image to draw attention. Now, resize and rotate the paint stroke to fit your design. Use the corner handles to scale proportionally and the rotate handle to angle the stroke so it follows the flow of your layout. Aim for a size that frames your content without overwhelming it. If the edges feel too tight around your text, give it a little extra breathing room. To customize the look, click the color option in the top toolbar. Choose a color that complements your palette or contrasts with your background to make the text or image on top stand out. Some paint strokes have multiple color layers. If you see several color chips in the toolbar, you can adjust each one for a more tailored effect. Finally, adjust transparency if you need the stroke to blend more naturally. Use the transparency slider to soften the intensity, letting background elements show through while still keeping that artistic texture. That's it. Simple, flexible, and impactful. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.